Welcome back. If you've been struggling to keep up with AI news, you're not alone. But what happened yesterday is something you really need to pay attention to. Google just launched Gemini 3, and honestly, it feels like we just skipped a generation. We are moving from AI that just chats with you to AI that actually works for you. If you're a creator, a developer, or just someone trying to save time, here is everything you need to know about Gemini 3, deep think, and the end of traditional coding. First, let's talk about why this matters. For the last year, we've all had the same problem. AI models like GPT-4 or the old Gemini were great conversationalists, but they were terrible employees. You couldn't give them a complex 3-hour task without them getting distracted or hallucinating. Gemini 3 fixes this. It's designed for agentic workflows. That means it doesn't just give you an answer. It plans, executes, and checks its own work. Now, let's get to the good stuff, the top 3 features that are blowing everyone's minds. Feature number 1 is VibeCoding. This is massive. For decades, if you wanted to build an app, you needed to know syntax, where to put the semicolons and brackets. With Gemini 3, you just describe the vibe. You can say, make me a website that feels like a cozy 90s arcade game, and it understands the aesthetic intent and writes the code to match. You aren't just a coder anymore, you're an architect. Feature number 2 is Google Antigravity. Think of this as the playground where these AI agents live. It's a new platform where the AI isn't trapped in a chat box. It has access to your terminal, your code editor, and your browser. It can literally move a cursor, run tests, and fix bugs while you sit back and watch. It's like having a junior developer inside your computer. And finally, feature number 3, deep think. Have you ever noticed how AI sometimes answers too fast and gets the math wrong? Gemini 3 has a new reasoning mode that forces it to pause and think before it speaks. In early tests, it's scoring PhD-level results on hard science and math benchmarks. It takes its time to make sure it's right. So what's the best use case for you? Whether you want to build that app idea you've had for years using VibeCoding, or you just want an agent to organize your messy digital life, Gemini 3 is ready to try right now. Let me know in the comments, do you trust an AI agent to take over your mouse and keyboard? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.